Alright guys, so Samsung has officially released the One UI 2.5 update for Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, S10 Lite and the S10e. Basically, One UI 2.5 update is a UI update which includes some new features that come with the latest Note 20. So that's the screenshot of the update. As you guys can see, that's the version number of the update and the size is around 1 gigs and it has the latest September 2020 series patch. So talking about the features, so there will be a lot of new features and changes into One UI 2.5 like wireless text support, pro mode in camera. There will be some improvements and changes into camera and messaging app. You can pause the video right now and check the complete changelog by yourself if you're interested. So let's talk about the rollout. So this update is going to be rolling out in Europe, which means that it's not officially rolling out worldwide right now, but you don't need to worry because the update is now officially out and soon it will expand to other countries and carriers. Usually these kind of updates take like few weeks to reach every single region, but it won't be in October, that's for sure. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The update has been officially released and soon your S10, S10 Plus, S10 Lite or S10e, whatever you have, will be running on the latest One UI 2.5. Do subscribe to the channel for more further and future updates and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.